In recent years, public commentators and academic researchers have questioned whether high-profile political activists are driven by genuine moral concerns or hidden narcissistic motives. A concept known as the dark ego vehicle principle recently emerged in the scientific literature. This idea proposed that people with dark personality traits, particularly narcissism and psychopathy, are attracted to progressive ideological movements simply to satisfy their own ego-driven desires for status and dominance. However, a researcher at the University of Amsterdam noticed theoretical inconsistencies in this idea. Authoritarianism typically requires a person to submit to the established norms of their social group. Narcissism, on the other hand, involves an inflated sense of self-importance and a strong desire to stand out. Submitting to group norms seems at odds with the narcissistic need to feel socially superior. To investigate this, researchers decided to reanalyze the data from the 2024 study that originally proposed the dark ego vehicle principle. The original dataset included 375 participants based in the United States who completed questionnaires measuring left-wing authoritarianism and the dark triad of personality traits. The dark triad includes narcissism, psychopathy, and Machiavellianism. The original study relied on standard linear regressions. The new research team argued that this basic statistical method could not adequately model the complicated relationships between all the related personality traits at the exact same time. To get a more accurate picture, the new team analyzed the data using structural equation modeling. This advanced technique allowed them to account for how all the traits and authoritarian dimensions interact simultaneously, isolating the specific influence of each individual trait. The analysis revealed that narcissism was negatively related to overall left-wing authoritarianism. Higher levels of narcissism actually predicted lower levels of anti-hierarchical aggression and lower levels of anti-conventionalism. Narcissism showed no relationship with top-down censorship. The researchers did find a positive association between psychopathy and left-wing authoritarianism. However, Machiavellianism was completely unrelated to any of the authoritarian dimensions. The study also looked at the psychological motivations behind progressive attitudes. The new analysis showed that social justice commitment was consistently and positively associated with left-wing authoritarianism. This contradicts the original claim that some activists do not actually strive for social justice, suggesting instead that genuine moral concerns play a central role. Learn more about this study and other new research at PsyPost.org.